Hello everyone, it's Tutor Nick. Welcome to lesson 29. In this lesson, we continue to look at the language used in restaurants and cafes and hear how to ask about, talk about, and express opinions about food. In the first audio, listen to the 4 sentences and decide which dish on the menu each person is talking about. It's excellent. This meat's very tender, and these carrots and peas are really tasty.
Well, it's not very good, I'm afraid. It's a bit too salty. I can't really taste the tomato.
The chicken's a bit too spicy for me. I like hot food, but this is too hot. The rice is good, though. Waiter, can I have a glass of water, please?
It's delicious, and the fruit's all really fresh. The pineapple's a bit too sweet for me, though.
Stop the video and decide which dish on the menu the person is describing. Listen back if you need to. What adjectives did people use to describe the food? Write your answers down. Now, listen to the audio again and see the correct answers. It's excellent. This meat's very tender, and these carrots and peas are really tasty.
Well, it's not very good, I'm afraid. It's a bit too salty. I can't really taste the tomato.
The chicken's a bit too spicy for me. I like hot food, but this is too hot. The rice is good, though. Waiter, can I have a glass of water, please?
It's delicious, and the fruit's all really fresh. The pineapple's a bit too sweet for me, though.
Let's look at the adjectives used in the video. The first one we saw was excellent. It's excellent. Excellent is better than good. It's very good. Excellent. The next one then was, this meat's very tender. This meat's very tender. Tender is easy to bite. Easy to bite. It's not tough. It's easy to bite. It's soft. Tender. This is used mostly about meat. We talk about meat as being tender. And the carrots and peas are really tasty. Tasty has to do with taste. You taste something. If it tastes good to you, you can say it's tasty. Tasty. The second part of the video, it's not very good. I think you all know what good means. It's not very good. And the next one then, it's a bit too salty. Okay, it's a bit too salty. Salty is when it has too much salt in it. Okay, it's too salty. In the next section, this chicken's a bit too spicy. Sorry. This chicken's a bit too spicy. When we use spicy like this, it usually means hot, with hot peppers. If you put a lot of chili peppers in something, people say, whoa, this is very spicy. Spicy means has a lot of spices, but in ordinary speech, we use it to mean hot, very hot to the tongue. Okay, and that's the next thing, that's the next adjective that's used, which is hot. Hot has two meanings. It can be hot, straight out of the oven, very hot. This refers to the temperature. Or it can be hot, meaning it's got a lot of peppers in it, or it's very peppery, chili peppery. The rice is good though. Okay, we're happy with that, we know that. The next one then is delicious. Okay, so delicious, another way of saying that would be very tasty. It's delicious, it's very tasty. Delicious is a little stronger than tasty, perhaps. The fruit, the fruit is all really fresh. Fresh. Okay, fresh. Fresh is when the fruit is just picked. So if I go to an apple tree and I take an apple from the tree and I eat it, it's very fresh. If I take an apple from the tree, put it on the table and leave it for a month, it's not fresh. And the pineapple is a bit too sweet for me. Sweet. So sweet is used for sugary things. So pineapple is sweet, apple is sweet. It is kind of the opposite of salty. So if something is salty, it's not sweet. If something is sweet, it's not salty. So sweet fruit, for example. That's the end of this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it and that it was useful. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye-bye.